We're getting the information that the death toll has gone up now to 8.
Yes, certainly. In fact, there is no consistency as far as the death toll is concerned, because even though the official announcement says 8, we know that on ground situation more bodies are being recovered minute by minute, and it has crossed 10 is what the unofficial death toll has. Definitely the consistency in the death toll is not being provided officially, because the dead bodies are being recovered minute by minute, and that is the reason. But we know that this situation is definitely intensifying in that area, and the state government is doing their level best to make sure that people around them, the people who are trapped, are being rescued as fast as possible.
Right. And what about as far as the people who are being rescued? Are they being given medical treatment? Have they been shifted to the other local hospitals there in the area?
Yes, definitely the health control room has been opened at 20, and in fact the helpline numbers has also been given out there, and all the private and the government hospitals nearby, the health minister Veena George has ensured that all the medical services and aids will be provided. In fact, doctors are also trying to reach Wayanad district from the nearby hospitals as well, but we know for a fact that because of the terrain and the disruption in the roadways, there is a slight delay, but definitely all the health authorities are on high alert, and the medical services in Wayanad district are in high alert and is being provided as people dead. Obviously, the injured are being taken to the hospital, and as the injured numbers of the injured are increasing hour by hour. Definitely, it is a situation of very high alert in this district of Wayanad, but Health Minister has ensured that all the health services are being operated very smoothly.
Well, you can see in those pictures that the extent of the trail of devastation that has been left behind earlier this morning, as far as 2 of these major landslides that have been reported in the Wayanad district there. And as far as taking people off guard, at least 8 people, including 3 children, according to district authorities, the information that is now coming in. As far as the toll, the lives that have now been claimed because of these landslides. However, a red alert that has also been sounded in the northern Kerala districts, including Kasaragod, in Kannur, in Wayanad, in Kozhikode, in Malappuram as well. There has been a red alert that has been sounded, and extreme caution that needs to be maintained in all of those areas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself has been expressing his concern, and he says that he's distressed by the landslides in parts of Wayanad. He says, my thoughts are with those who have lost their loved ones, and prayers with those who have been injured. Rescue operations that are currently taking place. And he also had a word with the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, and has assured all possible help from the centre in the wake of the prevailing situation there. Helpline numbers that have also been issued. There is a control room, Jay Lakshmi, if you can tell us, that have also been set up in the wake of these 2 landslides that have been reported.
Yes, certainly 24 hours control room has been in fact started, and in fact these control rooms have started operating as early as 3 a.m. in the morning. As soon as the landslide had hit, the control rooms had started operating, and in fact along with the control room that has been given by the National Health Assistance and also by the state government, the helpline numbers has been shared to the people, and in fact people have been advised to report if any case of any medical emergencies. They are asked to call up to these control numbers as soon as possible, and definitely all the procedures that are being taken by the state government to ensure that the people are safely rescued from the place that have been trapped. We also know that it is the over 100 people have been trapped as of now in the affected area. And landslides, it's not one landslide, there have been multiple landslides reported, and major 2 landslides that have been reported by 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. respectively. And we know that the death toll is constantly increasing, and right now it is 8 in numbers. That is the official count, but unofficially we know that minute by minute there are being more recoveries being made. Hence the death toll is definitely increasing at this moment.
Absolutely. With the KSDMA that has been announcing that 2 teams from the Kannur Defence Security Corps, they have also been deployed in those areas, and they have been instructed to assist in the rescue operations that have been taking place. Locals have been reporting that many are still feared trapped amid the ongoing rainfall, and and it is complicating the rescue operations. 250 members of the fire and rescue and civil defense, NDRF and local emergency response teams that are said to be involved in the rescue operations. An additional team